Take it from me, there's money online. The only problem that we are having is positioning. When you're unable to position yourself, you're unable to package what you are selling, how will you sell? You're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you three legit business you can do from the comfort of your home and sell online. And this particular industry is in the food industry. So why did I choose the food industry? Why I'm picking the food industry? Because this particular industry is one that can never run out of business. Everybody must eat in one way or the other. So food can never run out of business. The only thing you need to do is positioning, and that's why I'm here for you to let you know how to or what to sell. Now, the first that I have on my list is seasoning and spice. Packaging of seasoning and spice. There are some of, look at where you are, wherever part of the world you are, Africa, Europe, any part of the world. Look for spice that are readily available locally within your community that you know is needed, that can be exported, right? Just package it. Let me say where you are in your local environment, they're into spices like rosemary, fennel seed, chia seed, or any other of these seeds or these ingredients or spices that is needed around the world. Go source for it. The only thing you need to do, just ensure it's well packaged and dried, and pack it, and you can sell online. You can sell on Amazon. You can sell wherever you want to sell online from the comfort. Remember, what I'm particular about is business you can start from the comfort of your home and earn in dollars. Trust me, earn in dollars if you position yourself well. So try source for those products, create a channel, maybe an Instagram page, or you can sell on Amazon or Shopify. And if you don't want to even go through that stress, on your Facebook page, on your Instagram page, just show what you sell, advertise your product, and trust me, people will buy. People will buy. Show your face. Don't be ashamed of showing your face. Show your face. Well, if you are the one into selling that product, ensure you show your face. People are more of, you can start a fishless channel. Don't show. You don't need to show your face. That in a way build trust when they are seeing you and they are seeing, okay, in case they send you money and you don't deliver, they will have your face. Just take a picture of your face and post it online that this person is wanted. But that's a joke anyway. You have to ensure that what you say you can do, you deliver at the right time. Number next that I have here is culinary training. What can you do in this food business? Are you into baking of cakes, of meat pie, and you are really good at it? Why are you wasting that talent? Why don't you have courses online? Why are you not teaching people? This is a cool way of making money. You can teach anybody around the world. In fact, even if you know how to cook local dishes, like maybe Ghana jollof or Tanzanian food, that you know that people find it difficult or people might not be able to access, even if people can access it, and you know you have something that you can teach it in a way that nobody else can teach it, right? Or you can say it. There's one thing about food. If three people cook, the food will absolutely taste different. See, I don't know what happens or the magic behind it, but the food tastes different except there's a portion. Even if there's a portion, or maybe there's a controlled method, but if it's just normal random cooking, if three people cook, there will be a difference. So in that your culinary skills, what can you teach? Can you teach us how to bake cakes or how to cook this local? See, don't nothing fancy. Teach us how to cook local dishes, banga, all these delicacies that people are really wanting to learn, maybe any part of the world, okay, and they can source for the materials. Why not? You can even teach those things, and after you finish teaching them, tell, okay, for this your banga, if you can't source for maybe palm oil, or if you can't source for this is where to get it. Go to my store, I sell it. Today's video is sponsored by a premium food brand, trusted, and they are located in Nigeria. They are into the sales of, wait, let me show you, palm oil. They have big size palm oil. They also have small size palm oil. Oil, this is not mixed. This is raw palm oil. They are also into the sales of pepper. I used this pepper. And trust me, it's very hot. Not mixed. Pepper is not mixed. When I even saw this product, I was like, wow. Do you know what it means to have peeled beans? No stress when you want to make moi moi akara. You don't need to do any form of stress. Like no stress. The only thing you need to do is just soak it for some minutes and you're ready to go. Blend and everything is ready to go. It's very dry. Very dry. Very dry. I don't know if you can hear this. Very dry. It's for as long as you want it to last. This is the right product. Dried peeled beans. They are also into the sales of peanuts. When I received this, oh my god, wait, you can see me. My word for it, very crunchy. I just have a taste of it. For your gari, for your smoothies, for your parfait, anything you want this for. They are also into the sales of crayfish, gari, and a lot of things. So they are literally like an African market. If you're in Canada, US, whatever part of the world you are, and you would like to order for all these products, something great recommended by me, please do well to reach out to them. Additionally, if you want them to source for any other food products you want, like dried fish, any product, just let them know. See, they are ready to brand or to package any item you want and deliver to wherever you are around the world. Buy from them. Thank you. You understand what I'm saying? From your training, you link the resources, the material to your shop, and you let them purchase from you. Why don't you give me a like there? If you're loving this video thus far, give me a like, give me a like. That's a way of you telling me that, baby girl, thank you for bringing this research and keep on doing more, right? Now, the next that I have on my list is one that I love, that is so dear to my heart, and that is the sales of foodstuff, food items. You can export them, source them for them locally and export foodstuff like palm oil, pepper, you know, fish, dried fish, and all the food items that can be gotten in your own place or in your own environment. Why not? Why don't you push that product online? Let people know about it. You have the best palm oil, you have the best, anything that can be sourced locally. You have the best dried prawn, dried fish, or coconut flakes. There's money online. Take it from me, there's money online. The only problem that we are having is positioning. When you're unable to position yourself, you're unable to package what you are selling, how will you sell? And that's the people don't want all this. You feel like, oh, this process is too long. How will I follow customers, ask them to buy? See, you want the money, you have to put in the work. And these are real legit business I just showed you. Please do well to like and share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Every of my videos are valuable. And additionally, if you would like to sponsor any of my video, like the way King's Joy Food just did, why not? Send me an email and let's do business. I won't even charge you that much. See, we are here to help ourselves. I really want you to earn online. I really want you to be better. I really want you to be financially stable. So anything I can do to promote your business, why not? What are we there for? To help one another, right? So hurry now. I'll leave my email address here for you to send me an email and we will discuss business. You send me a message from a link I'll be leaving in my description box. Direct message, then we will discuss business. Please, before you go further, if you would like to learn French, because all these things we're talking about food business now, and maybe your foreign customers are French speakers or they know other languages and you don't know how to speak French. So what are you doing? This can be a way for you to be at advantage, right? This can be an advantageous point for you. Why not learn French in 3 months? And it's just for 15,000 naira, very affordable, 5,000 naira monthly. And you can learn wherever you are around the world, whether you are in Canada, Europe, you can learn it. And the class is always fun. The group is something to look forward to. I enjoy listening to the voice notes. Sometimes people might not pronounce the French words correctly, but that's why I'm there. I'm going to put you in the right path. My aim is not only for you to be fluent, my aim is also for you to be able to see any French word and be able to recognize the French word. So why now? enroll for the course, and I'll see you in the class. Au revoir, and see you in my next video. A bientôt. Bye.